Good morning, Stephanie Kammerman, the Stock Whisperer, here to tell you the whisper of the day. But before we get to today's whisper, we got to talk about yesterday. Well, I didn't do a whisper yesterday. I took the red eye back from San Francisco, had such a great trip, met so many fantastic traders. Thank you so much to Silicon Valley Options Group and Tops Trading for trading options for profit. Really great to have that opportunity to speak to all of your fine traders there. And it's great to be back in New York. So I didn't do a whisper yesterday, but I was whispering all day long in my live trading room. Now, if you recall, right, we've been bearish on GDX, in particularly below $20.50. That was the big level that we talked about last week. And we finally broke down it. My traders were rocking gold on the short side. Ron, fantastic call outs yesterday in the pit. He made, I don't even know how many points he made on that JDUS, but that was fantastic. I know Daniel P. made quite a bit. Lots of my traders were rocking on the short side. Now, I want to bring to your attention what happened last year. For those of you that have been following me, last January, let me refresh your memory with this PowerPoint. Last January, we spotted some big prints coming in. January 25th to be exact, on IAU. 10 million shares traded at $10.70. And when I start to see that, I start to tweet. And there's my tweet back on January 25th, 10 million. But not even that, February 2nd. We spotted another 10 million at 10.85. So you guys guess where we are right now? Deja vu. We are back there at 10.85 this morning and close to 10.70. So these are big levels. And I'm really curious if those same guys that were buying back in January and February are still going to be buying. But we're going to see those prints. The last big print that we spotted on IAU was selling at $11.29. So definitely keep your eye on these levels. All right. So another thing that I called a little bit of a correction yesterday, didn't I? If you're following my tweets. Now, we're below massive prints right now. We're below 13 million we spotted yesterday at 227.73 up here, late prints. We're below 226.46. We had about 18 million there. And right now we're below 20 million level, 226.24. So these are really big levels on the SPY. And as long as we stay below these levels, I'm going to be bearish. If we close above 227.73, then I would turn bullish again. But these are definitely the major levels to watch. The Russell 2000 has definitely been the weakest. This is the one that was the strongest, leading us up, had the most dark pool activity going up, and has definitely shown weakness. Watch this 135 level on the Russell. And the Qs. We had a little bit of a print, a small one this morning. But watch that 120 level. All right, these guys were the last guys to the party, and so they're having a little bit of a rally right now. But that 120 level is definitely worth watching. Also, yesterday, I spotted a pretty big sell print on AT&T. We were hitting major resistance, but you always want to see those big prints. And so we spotted a 2 million print yesterday at 41.50. Going to be bearish on AT&T. Also, USO, keep an eye. 11.37. Remember, we spotted a 12 million share print there not that long ago. We are below that level, so we're going to be bearish below. Come watch me trade these stocks and so many more at the Java Pit Trading Room at www.thestockwhisper.com. It's only $9.95 for a trial membership. But before I go, I got to tell you guys, The trader of the day yesterday is Janet Yellen. She finally made a trade yesterday. She raised the interest rates 1/4 of a point. It's been a year since she made a trade. So congratulations, Janet. You definitely deserve trader of the day yesterday. And thank you, because my room rocked off your trade. Happy trading, everybody.
Turns